Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm back with another easy to follow tutorial on how to download Survivor.io game on your iPhone. So in order to do that, first open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box and type in Survivor.io and search. Look for this application and then tap on the Get button to begin the download process. Once the application starts downloading, wait for a few minutes and you'll be able to play the game right on your mobile device. Survivor.io is an online multiplayer game inspired by the popular reality TV show Survivor. In the game, players are placed on an island and must work to survive while competing against each other. The game involves gathering resources, forming alliances, and then participating in various challenges and votes to eliminate other players. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you can tap on the Open button to open the app. Allow necessary permission for the application and then you'll be able to play the game right away. That is how you can easily download Survivor.io game on your iPhone. You can now go ahead and complete the tutorial and play the game right away from your mobile device. That is how you can easily download the Survivor.io game on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.